right, so we are back from the fall festival that we had in our little town, and it was really nice. It was hot. There was a nice, gentle breeze, but the sun was way out today, so um, it was a little warm. We came back, and my 10-year-old and my baby girl, they're both out. They had so much fun down there, and so they were taking a nap, and I am in my office organizing a few videos, taking advantage of the time while they are asleep. My two older ones are up and about. They're kind of doing their own thing right now. And Nelson's just sitting down for a few minutes watching some football while I do this. So I am going to try and do some work, and then we'll go from there. We also did stop by the grocery store really quick on our way back. And I plan on doing some cobbler tonight. The kids love it. We got some ice cream, so that'll be nice. So after dinner, we'll have a little bit of dessert. I will have to get them started packing here in just a few minutes so that tomorrow they don't have to get up and worry about packing and stuff. They can just have, the important stuff done tonight. So that's the plan for the rest of the evening. All right, so it is midnight and I just finished cleaning the dishes. After dinner, the kids finished packing their bags. They're pretty much packed. And I also packed most of the baby stuff. There's a couple things that I gotta wait for the morning to do, but for the most part, I know what I'm taking for her and what she needs, so that's good. I also have to pack up the playpen, which I'll have to do in the morning anyways. So I went ahead and cleaned up the kitchen. Everything's pretty much set for tomorrow morning. I just have to get up fairly early because I'd like to be out of here no later than 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm shooting for earlier, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to. So I am going to go ahead and wrap this up, and I am going to wrap up something on the computer. I have already put another vlog together, and I'm just going to finish it up before I take a shower and go to bed because it's late and I am exhausted. So I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Until then, adios.